Hello, my desktop publishing students, or maybe my ABT students. This is the second part of your press release. Now, we'd finished the word art. We'd put in our border and we did our word art here, and we'd filled it with our picture, and we set the spacing here to single. And then it said go control end, and this is where we left off, and you were to key in the words press release. So I keyed them in already, and I've also keyed in some extra ones just to save me time so that I can finish this video within the time that I have. So first of all, it said select press release. So here you've keyed it in. It said go shift home, which you would know to do. All right, it says click on the home tab. So I'm on the home tab, and it says choose the intense emphasis style. Okay, so choose the intense emphasis style, or a style of your choice. So maybe emphasis looks better to you, or subtitle. It doesn't matter, it's your choice. So but I'll go with intense emphasis. That's okay. And now it says make it size 42. So I've got it selected, so therefore I'll go down to, okay, I only have 48, so I can put 48 there. All I have to do is go here and type in 42. So just as long as you know, you can put in any size that you want. All right, now if we want to use a special font color, all right, so let's go here. Now I want to go to font, and I want to go to color here. All right, and now here's the regular colors, all right, but we want to go to more colors. And now this is talking about the color model. Now there are others. There's the hue, saturation, and light, but the RGB stands for red, green, and blue. And so they told us to use red 42. So let's go to red, and we're going to put in 42. And then green, it says put in 90. And then blue 120. Okay, so now you, oh, I didn't mean to say okay there. I want to go back. All right, font color, there's the, hold on here, let's go to more colors here, and there's the color we got. That's kind of ugly looking, or to me it is, so I want to change mine. So now watch, I'm going to drag along here and see what I would like, and I'm going to try to go over here in this red or orangey tone, just because I like that better, but you can go, you know, wherever you want. Or maybe this red. No, I like this red better. Okay, now once you get that, take a look. You can drag your arrow up and watch your color here. It's going to change, okay? So watch your color there as you drag. And this is just like going to the paint store. You know, you've got all these colors to choose from. Okay, I kind of like that one. So now, if that's the color I wanted, if I was going to a printer, I would tell them that my red is 247, my green is 88, and my blue is 25, and I would get precisely that color. All right, but if you don't tell printers what color you really want, and you must specify how much red, how much green, how much blue, you may think you're going to get orange, but you're not. Okay, even if I look here, it doesn't look like this color, so you've got to know what the things are. So that's why I said to you, write down the colors that you like for your custom color. So there's the color I'm going to choose. All right, so I'm going to put down my 247 red, and my 88 green, and my blue 25. And then if I ever want that color, I can come back again and say, there's the color I used. That's what I like, and it's easy to choose. All right, so say okay, and now that's the color I'm going to have, and I'm going to put bold on here too. I got italics on there. I'm going to put bold. So that's what my press release is going to look like. All right, now it says to use condensed spacing. I want to go over this with you. So first of all, we're going to go to font here, and we're going to go to advanced, and you should see spacing here. All right, you're looking at normal. So now this time, if I choose expanded, and you've seen this, I'm going to put in 4 points, but I just want you to know, look at it. Okay, there's the 4 points of spacing. That's expanded spacing. Now you want to go to condensed. Okay, condensed spacing. All right, now take a look. And you see what condensed is? The letters are touching each other. Now, they said use condensed spacing of 0.25. All right, I'm going to go look at that, and if we don't like it, we're not going to keep it, okay? So I'm going to say 0.25. All right, and now say okay. And it's condensed a little bit and actually looks better, okay? So that's okay, we'll use it. The other one didn't look good at all. All right, so now this time it said the spacing before. Well, you know this one. I don't have to go over this one, but I will anyways. Go to paragraph, and it said put 24 points before. All right, so there's 24 points. And remember, you can see it in the gray here. You can see your 24 points. Okay, so that's all good. You know how to do all of that. All right, so now it says go control end, which I did, and then it said type in these two lines, okay? And it said use whatever font size color and you want for this line. So I'm going to size it up a bit for sure. And I think I'll still go and I'll just pick an orange from here. Or maybe I should pick blue. No, yeah, I can pick blue. Okay, I'll go with the dark navy. No, that's not a good color. Let's try this one. There, I think that's better, easier to read. So I've stayed in kind of with my theme going throughout. I've got the orange and the blue. And now it says go control end again, but go control S to save. And it asks you to insert the remaining data. All right, so I'm going to press enter one more time, and we're going to go to insert. And remember, we go to object, text from file. Now go to your classes drive, go to your project, and you want the data for the press release, okay? The data for the press release. All right, insert it. And here's our data. Okay, I don't need this. That came in with it. I don't need that. Oh, but I need this. Okay, and now I got 3 paragraph symbols here. I don't think I need 3, so I'm going to take one out. And it asks us to put in 3 number symbols. All right, so I'm going to go Control E to center, and it said put in number symbols. Okay, there's 3, and it said use expanded spacing. So you're going to go to home, you're going to go to font, and you're going to go to expanded spacing, and I'm going to put in about 7 points. You can choose how much you put in, and I'm going to size them up 1, 2, 3. And that basically all those mean is that that's the end of the press release, nothing more than that. Okay, and now that I see how much space is there, I'm going to take out one of these. Okay, so that's your press release. That's all you had to do there. Go Control S to save. And so now it said go and edit the dates in the footer and use the date picker to select the current date. All right, so again, this will be different for you and I depending what day you're working on this. So we're going to go to Insert, and we're going to go to Footer, and we're going to say Edit. All right, so it says type release date and time here. So let's choose here, and we want to go to Insert, and I got date and time right here. So go to date and time, and it said release date and time. So let's choose the release date here that has the time with it. Okay, and we want to update it automatically so that it will, when we print it, it'll be there. Hold on here. I selected the whole thing. I don't want to do that. I only want to select this. Okay, no, I want to just go, okay, let me see if I can get it here, and I'll go Shift Home. No, hold on here. Okay, I'll go to the date picker first. All right, so I go here and I pick the current date, and my current date is November 21st, 2019. So, or I could click on today if it wasn't there, and I can choose that date. All right, so now it put in November 21st, and here I'm going to leave the here. I'm just going to highlight this piece for right now. I'm showing you how to cheat. Okay, so I'm going to go now to date and time, and I want to choose the date here with the time. All right, and now just delete out the here, but don't take the paragraph symbol out. Okay, this one can go, that doesn't matter, but the other one can't. So here you've put the date written out with the month, day, and year. Here you just got it in numbers and you've got the time with it. All right, that's good. That's all we need there. So close that out. And now if we go to view and we go to one page, there you should be able to see the date going up. You've got your date and time going across, and your press release is all set up. And that's all you had to do. All right, so save your work and we will stop there.